here at Create and Cultivate's 100, where I'm being honored tonight and getting to meet a lot of people who are honored too. I'll show you that. How did you raise $100 million fund? When you're trying to make your first dollar, what really matters is how much you can help someone else. This behind me are the West Hollywood Hills, and yeah, this is I got a hotel room at this event so that I could have staging area, so I could do some work from here, because I have a bunch of stuff to do between my home, where I live 25 minutes away, and the other side of town. So I just decided to get a room, go ahead and have this as a home base for a few hours and go to the event, get a little bit of footage, hopefully, of the event itself, and then I'll hopefully know where to look. So people can hear, and yeah, I just, again, someone who used to be homeless and have the ability to get a room when I need to, have a second office. It's just really cool, and this view is just really awesome. Those houses are like 10 million, 20 million, 50 million or more, depending on which one it is. Bird Streets is what it's called, if you all look that up on Zillow. Bird Streets, or just Google it. Look for videos on YouTube. They have tours and things like that. And I used to, again, when I was walking up and down the street, I would say, I'm going to live up there one day. And I didn't quite live here, but I lived so close, like 5 minutes away, up in the hills, in a place called Mount Olympus. I lived there for 2 years in a beautiful home, more recently, in my 40s. And I looked out every single day, and I was like, wow, I can't believe that. So anyway, just wanted to bring this to you. Always looking for ways to help you make more money, have more freedom, and feel better about yourself. And yeah, I'll see you soon.
I'm not doing all the things.
So I'm here, I just did the pink carpet here at Create and Cultivate's 100, and I did an interview with the LA Times, which is really cool, and you see people are getting photographed behind me. And I have to say that posting on YouTube every single day, multiple times per day, has really helped me with press. I just noticed. Like, I was able to answer questions faster than I normally would, and equip you a way that's best for a soundbite. So the more you do on YouTube, the more skills you build for yourself that are outside of just YouTube. Kind of cool. Just wanted to show you a little bit of what's happening. I'm very early because I'm not very cool, but I think we're the cool kids. But this is what's going on. It's the penthouse of this hotel, and this is just one floor of it. So I'm going to show you around, or as much as I can, and they're giving away a lot of stuff. When you are in these rooms, you get a lot of stuff for free. It's just the way it is. Like, the more people can afford, the more free stuff they get. I haven't figured out still where to look. So now we're on the rooftop of this 3-story penthouse. More of a view, really cool. And then they have CoverGirl here. And then more people. And as I said, I'm here early, so It'll be a lot more packed later on, but I actually really like this. You can hear people, you can talk to people that are walking up, saying hi.
So, Kate, how did you raise $100 million fund?
Oh my God, blood, sweat, tears. I had a baby on my knee, and basically failure was not an option.
Oh.
So yeah, I mean, I have 3 partners, so I wasn't in them alone. I definitely play venture as a team sport. I had been working in VC for a decade, and really, all the people that I thought I was going to get money from, none of them gave me money. Everybody that we raised from were people that we had been on boards with, that had seen us in action. I had built trust with, my partners had built trust with, and it was like one check at a time. Our first close was 74 million. Everyone was like, surely once you get to 74, the rest of it will be cake. No, it was not. We fought. I remember the last million I closed was from this guy who I had known tangentially, who had kind of been watching my career, and he was like, I'm going to be your last million, and I was like, thank you, Bill. But yeah, it was one check at a time.
What was the hardest part?
You know, I think that I just didn't have a backup plan. I was a single mom. I didn't have a trust fund or big savings. And so I think going all in on myself and just having that conviction that it was going to happen, I think that was in some ways the most obvious part, but also the hardest part in retrospect. I'm like, oh shit, I really took that leap. So, or shoot. Oh shoot, yeah. Yeah, oh shit, I took that leap. But anyway, I think that was probably the hardest part. And I would say my partner, we all had a wavering of conviction at some point in the process, and then we leaned on the team. Like, if we got tired, someone else was like, I got this, I'm taking the baton.
And let me say, I just met Kate, but I think she's fearless because a bee landed on her finger and she did not flinch. It was like a little fly to her, and I was over on the other side thinking of my girl, ready to.
I loved
ready
my
to,
girl. So sad.
I thought about it again today,
It's
and
really
it
good.
takes me out every time
It's
I think
really,
about
really
it.
good.
Thank you so much.
My
Hey,
pleasure.
how do people find you?
Okay, you can find me on Instagram, Kate Preston McAndrew, also on TikTok and on LinkedIn. I'm in those 3 places.
You said Kate Preston McAndrew.
Kate P. McAndrew? I don't know. I have like also a million fake accounts who are pretending to me, so look for the engagement, people.
Listen, I'm gonna get her on YouTube.
Up there, and then I'll ask all the questions here, but look to camera to answer.
Okay. I'm Arlan Hamilton, and one thing that every entrepreneur should stop doing immediately is saying that they're the next Facebook, Uber, YouTube. Be your own person, be your own company, and shoot for your moonshot, not someone else's dream. The most overrated piece of startup advice, I think, is to follow your passion. I do believe in following your passion in life. But when you're trying to make your first dollar, what really matters is how much you can help someone else. You will be able to have impact beyond your wildest dreams, but you have to be practical in the fact that people are looking for solutions. They're not looking for your passion right now. So do things that fill you up, and lift up others, but think about, what do people need solved today? What is a pain point? The habit that has had the biggest impact on my life has been not caring what people think of me.
There you go. Perfect. Thank you so much.